Hello everyone. What we're looking at here is three HTC One S's, or however you want to pronounce that. But we have three of them, not because I bought three, but my original one had to be replaced for a sound issue, which is what we're going to talk about today. A sound crackling issue, to be more precise. They replaced it with this one, which you can see the screen looks different. Not sure what's going on with it. They all are on the same automatic brightness setting. Can't really see it there. There we go, a little better. They all are on the same automatic brightness setting. Three different screen qualities or colors. So when I got the second one, I tried to deal with the screen color there. It's a brownish color instead of gray. Like it's supposed to be gray like that, but it's kind of brown. I installed all my applications and then I couldn't stomach looking at the screen, so I called that one in for replacement, and then they sent me this one. So we have three different screen situations going there. I'm not sure why, but definitely three going on. So my first question is, are you guys having any screen issues with your HTC One S's, whether it be a T-Mobile one or an international one? Because I'm definitely seeing three different screens here. Now, getting to the main issue at hand, I'm having some sound crackling issues. I have the latest software update that was released a few weeks ago. I believe it ends in 710RD, if I'm not mistaken. And I have some sound crackling when I'm using speakerphone via Wi-Fi calling, which is kind of normal. I was having that problem before. But what I did notice is when I'm playing Max Payne. Now, just bear with me for a moment. Don't automatically assume that, oh, it's Max Payne's fault. T-Mobile gave me that speech already. Well, when I'm playing Max Payne, or even at the title screen of Max Payne, the sound crackles a whole lot. It varies from time to time, but it definitely crackles. And it didn't happen just on this one, but on all three of these. Now, my first thought was that, yeah, it's Max Payne's fault. Well, I have Max Payne on my Galaxy S2. The sound does not crackle, which is where you guys come in. After I demonstrate what's actually going on here, if you guys can do me a favor and leave some comments. Are you having the same issue? If you have Max Payne installed, just open up the game and listen to the sound. Let me know if you're getting crackling as well, or if you're getting sound crackling in any other games or applications. I don't have any music to test, and my other games are not really crackling because they don't hit the same frequency level. But I'll go ahead and get started here. I have Max Payne open on my original one. We'll start with that one. And now while this is loading, me personally, I believe it's something with the software frequency within the One S itself, since it's not happening on the Galaxy S2. I'm not that technical. What do I know? That's why I'm making this video. Okay, there's the crackling. It's definitely not supposed to sound like that. So I sent this one, I had the replacement order on this one because I figured the speaker was broken. It sounds like when you have a broken speaker. You see it stops sometimes. Starts back up. Okay, so that's on my original one. Here's the one they sent me to replace this one, the one with the bad screen. Let's get Max Payne open on that one. And I didn't notice at first, because I honestly thought it was just a sound issue with this one, so I didn't check this one until today. And now, just to be clear, this isn't interference from the computer or anything like that. This happens regardless of where I am, regardless of what other technology is near me. See, sometimes it stops, but other times it starts back up. Once thought I can like shake it when I thought it was just a problem with this one. I thought I can shake the phone and the speakers start working better, but it doesn't seem to be the case. Okay. So let's check the new one they sent, the one that I'm keeping, because the screen looks better than both. Okay, on this one, let's get Max Payne going. And the reason I'm making this video is T-Mobile, they gave me a lot of excuses. They said it was a Beats audio issue and it's to be expected. That Beats audio enhances the audio and then the sound levels are so high and blah, blah, blah. And I explained to them that Beats audio turns on when you have headphones plugged in. Then they said it was Max Payne's fault and, you know, it's the application. I explained to them that we put Max Payne on the Galaxy S2 and there was not a problem. Okay. There's the crackling again. So that's 3 1S devices. Same sound issue. Just for the sake of fairness, I'll just go ahead and pull Max Payne up on the Galaxy S2. There isn't any crackling. I demonstrated this in the store, and the in-store employees, they said that it was, they agreed that it's definitely something going on, and it's very strange that it's only on the 1S. So if you guys can take the time, if you have Max Payne installed on your 1S, take a listen. Leave comments below and let me know if you have the same issue. Because if it's not a hardware or software issue with the 1S, then it may be something that Rockstar can fix in an update. I would rather play the game on my 1S than not play it at all. But with the sound crackling from the main menu, even in the game, makes it pretty difficult and not a fun experience. So please leave a comment in the comment section below. I will definitely go ahead and get these sent back. Hopefully you guys are not experiencing the sound issue or the crazy screen tint issue. I've seen purple tint before, but it's the first time I've seen brown tint on the phone. So thank you guys so much for bearing with this long 8+ minute video. Please leave comments below. Take care.